Hi everyone, here I've got LG K51s and let me show you how to remove and then add a Google account to this device. So first of all, let's open the settings. Let's choose accounts. And here, as you can see, we've got the account HardReset.Info 1 from Gmail, and to remove it, simply tap on it and click on Remove Account. And your device will ask you if you surely want to remove accounts, so click on Remove. And as you can see now, it is removed. And in order to add new account, simply click on Add Account, click on Google. Okay, now we have to begin with typing our email or phone. I will type the email. Okay, click on Next. And now you have to enter your password, so let me do it not in front of the camera. Okay, and after that you have to click on Next, and here you will see the Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. So if you agree, click on I agree. And now let's click on I accept. Okay, and as you can see, we've just added another Google account. So from now on, you'll be able to use all Google features which are applied to your device. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.